The Magic Compass of Peru. In a small, colorful house in Cusco lived two curious children named Mateo and Sofia. One sunny morning, their abuela, grandmother, gave them a special gift. "This is a magic compass," she whispered. "It doesn't point north. It points to adventure." Mateo held the compass. The golden arrow spun around and then pointed straight towards the high mountains. "Where is it taking us, Mateo?" asked Sofia, her eyes wide with excitement. "To the top of the world," he exclaimed. Their first stop was Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. They walked among the ancient stone walls, imagining the people who lived there long ago. Friendly llamas with soft, woolly coats chewed grass peacefully nearby. The compass spun again. This time, it pointed deep into the green jungle. They traveled by boat down a long, winding river. "Look!" Sophia shouted, pointing. A bright pink river dolphin leaped out of the water, saying hello. The Amazon rainforest was full of amazing sounds and colors. Colorful macaws flew over their heads, their feathers like a rainbow in the sky. A sleepy sloth hung from a branch, giving them a slow wave. Next, the compass led them to a huge desert. "There's nothing here," said Mateo, looking at the sand. But then they saw them. Giant drawings were carved into the ground. There was a spider, a monkey, and a hummingbird. These were the Nazca lines. From the dry desert, the compass pointed to a vast blue lake high in the mountains. This was Lake Titicaca. They visited the Uros people, who live on floating islands made entirely of reeds. An Uros woman with a kind smile showed Sophia how to weave colorful bracelets from the reeds. "Everything here comes from the reeds," she explained. "Our homes, our boats, and our art." Their final adventure was to see the mighty Andean condors at Colca Canyon. They watched as the enormous birds soared gracefully on the wind, their wings stretching wide across the deep canyon. It was a breathtaking sight. Back home, Mateo and Sofia looked at their map of Peru. They had seen ancient cities, amazing animals, and incredible landscapes. The magic compass sat on their table, ready for another adventure. "Peru is full of wonders," Sofia said. And Mateo agreed.